powering up here in just a moment. We haven't seen this type of airplane in the air in a long, long time. It brings back such a great era. Ladies and gentlemen, I get emotional looking at this. The Constellation flies again, and we'll tell you the rest of the story of this beautiful airplane that just Lewis Air Legends and the Air Legends Foundation MacArthur Bataan Constellation. The aircraft was used as a personal transport by Douglas MacArthur, Air Force General, during the Korean War, and later by other Army general officers until 1966, when it was transferred to NASA. Following its permanent retirement in 1970, it was placed on display at a museum in Fort Rucker near Daleville, Alabama. It was acquired by Planes of Fame Air Museum in Chino, California. Familiar looking tails on the Lightning as it will join up with the Constellation in just a moment. Magnificence of this legend above us right now, the MacArthur Bataan Constellation from Air Legends Foundation. P38. And that P38 Lightning, easily one of the most recognizable fighters of its time because of its distinctive twin boom design. It was the mount for America's two top aces, Dick Bong, who scored 40 aerial victories, and Tommy McGuire is credited with 38 kills. However, although more than 10,000 were built during the war, the big fighter didn't fit into the Air Corps post-war plans, for soon retired from service. Very few remain flying today. Flying today, built in Burbank, California, delivered into service in '44. The distinction of being the 5,000th and 18th P-38 built, halfway to the total number of Lightnings produced. It's assigned to 483rd Air Base Squadron in Santa Maria, California, replacement training wing unit, providing combat crew training for P-38s during World War II. Look at that! Is going to head on home back to Chino. And it really is such a beautiful design. Look at this. Oh my. You will head back over to the static display area closest to you on the hot ramp, so you do get a good look at this amazing restoration.